It is amazing how much impact my breathing has on my feelings. If I am feeling anxious, my breath is agitated. But when I am relaxed, my breath is calm and steady. When I feel stressed out, I take a moment in solitude to take deep breaths. As I inhale, I feel my body expand. And as I exhale, I extend, dissipating any concerns and worries. In this yoga flow, we will move to the rhythm of our breath, purifying our thoughts and cleansing our energy. Through the breath, we realize all is truly well. Find yourself in a standing position. Feet in line with your hips, hips in line with your shoulders, arms open and extended, and the crown of the head pointing up to the sky. We open up our session with 3 breaths. As we inhale, we rise up to the sky, bringing the hands up. And exhale, we bring the hands down. Inhale, rising up. Exhale, bring the hands down. And one more, inhale, rise up. Interlace your fingers and extend the palms up to the sky. Bring the chin higher. There is no tension in the neck and shoulders. Right hand to the left wrist, and stretch your body to your right side. Switch arms and stretch your body to the opposite side. Come back to center. Interlace your hands one more time, stretching your palms up to the sky. Slowly bring the hands to the lower back. Extend your arms, stretching away from your glutes. Move your head side to side. Continue practicing mindful breathing. Lower the chest down as you continue holding onto your hands. Bring the hands down to the ground. Look forward, inhale. Exhale, bring the forehead closer to your knees. Bend one knee at a time. Bring your palms behind your calves. Take a deep breath and breathe out. Bring the forehead closer to your legs. Slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae, come up to a standing position, crossing the left leg over the right one. Inhale, bring the hands up to the sky. Exhale, hands down on the mat. Once here, walk your hands to the left side and bring the forehead closer to your left knee. Stay here for a couple of breaths. And slowly come back to center. Inhale, rise up to the sky. Exhale, uncross your leg and switch to the other side. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, swan dive, bring the hands down to the ground. Walk your hands to the right side and bring the forehead closer to your knee. Continue breathing long and deep. Walk your hands back to center. Inhale, rise up. And exhale, uncross your legs. Walk to the back of your mat. Take a deep inhale, rise up. Exhale, swan dive, bring the hands down. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, bring the forehead closer to your knees. Inhale, walk your hands forward into a plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, cobra, release your toes. Exhale, engage your toes, downward facing dog. Bend one knee at a time. Walk your dog. Pressing the chest back towards your thighs. Relax your shoulders and your neck. Lift up your right leg up to the sky, rotating the hip, and bend the knee. Circle the leg around, opening up the hips. Extend your legs and bring the right foot down to the ground. Let's switch to the other side. Left leg goes up, rotating the hip, bend the knee, and circle the leg around. Extend your leg up and slowly bring the foot back down to the ground. Inhale, right leg goes up. Exhale, step through. Inhale, rise up to the sky, sinking the hips slow, deeply bending the front knee. Continue breathing. Interlace your fingers behind the lower back. Extend the arms away from the glutes as you lower the forehead down towards the mat. Bring the hands down to the ground. Take the right leg back, find your plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Cobra, engage your toes. Downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg goes up. Exhale, step through. Inhale, bring the hands up to the sky as you sink the hips low, deeply bending the front knee. Interlace the fingers behind the lower back. Extend your arms away from your glutes as you lower the chest down to the ground. Bring the hands down to the mat. Step back with the left leg. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale and Cobra. Exhale, find tabletop, hands and knees on the mat. Circle the hips around in one direction. And remember to move in the opposite direction. Inhale, lower your hips in Cobra. Exhale, passing through Child's Pose. Inhale, lowering the hips in Cobra. Exhale, passing through Child's Pose. One more time. Inhale, down in Cobra. Engage your toes. Downward facing dog. Walk your dog one more time as you flex one knee at a time. Inhale, right leg goes up. And exhale, step through. Inhale, rise up to the sky, sinking the hips low, deeply bending the front knee. Resting the back heel on the mat, open up your arms in Warrior Two. Flip the front palm, inhale. Exhale, reverse your warrior, wrapping your left arm around the lower back. Continue breathing. As you inhale, bring the right hand down to the mat. Exhale, extend the left arm up to the sky or over your ear. Extend that side angle. Bring the left hand down to the mat, peel the back heel off the ground. Step back with the right leg. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Cobra. Engage your toes, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg goes up. Exhale, step through. Inhale, rise up to the sky. Resting the back heel on the mat. Breathing in and breathe out, open up your arms in Warrior Two. Flip the front palm, inhale. Exhale, reverse your warrior. Continue sinking the hips low. Inhale, left hand comes down. Exhale, extend your right arm up or over your ear and extend that side angle. Keep breathing. Bring the right hand down, peel the back heel, step back with the left leg and plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Flex one knee at a time. And slowly begin to walk your hands back towards your feet. Hold on to your big toes with your index fingers. Open up your elbows out to the side, lowering the forehead closer to your knees. Move your head side to side. Slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae, find a standing position. Inhale, rise up to the sky. Exhale, find chair pose. Bending the knees. Tuck your butt under. Lift up your heels, shifting the weight forward to your toes. Sink the hips lower. Extend your arms straight up to the sky. Continue breathing. Take a deep breath and breathe out. Tadasana, standing position. Let's do this 2 more times. Inhale, rise up to the sky. Exhale, chair pose. Heels glued to the ground as you bend your knees. Shift the weight forward to your toes, lifting up your heels and sinking the hips lower. Extend your arms up to the sky. Take a deep breath and breathe out, standing position, Tadasana. 1 more time. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, chair pose. Remember to keep your heels on the ground. Slowly begin to shift the weight forward to your toes, sinking the hips lower, extending your arms up. Inhale. Exhale, bring the hands down to the ground. And find a kneeling position on the mat. Circle the hips around in one direction. And remember to move in the opposite direction as well. Move through Cobra and Child's Pose. Coming forward into Cobra as you inhale. Exhale, passing through Child's Pose. Inhale, coming forward, Cobra. And exhale, find the seated position on your mat. Extend your legs forward in Dandasana. Extend your arms as well. And slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae, lay down on the ground. Draw the knees onto your chest. Give yourself a hug. Coming into happy baby, holding on to the edges of your feet. And continue swaying side to side. Extend your arms and your legs. Give yourself a long, tall stretch. And find a comfortable position to enter a practice of Shavasana. In this space, we tap into a place of stillness, being mindful of our breath. Noticing the spaces between inhalations and exhalations, releasing tension, worries, concerns, and be in a place of peace, serenity, and joy. Slowly, we bring our awareness back into our bodies, moving our toes and our fingers, giving ourselves a long, tall stretch. Draw the knees onto your chest. Cross your legs, rock back and forth till you find enough momentum to sit up. Meet me in Sukasana, easy pose with your legs crossed, hands on top of your knees and the crown of the head pointing up to the sky. We seal our practice. As we inhale, we bring the hands up. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, rising up. Exhale, bring your hands down. Inhale, rise up, palms together. Exhale, hands to heart center and bow your head. May every single breath you take be a mindful prayer in your life. From my heart to yours, Namaste.